Hi everyone, it's Mr. Barden here. Today, this little video is going to be, again, pretty short. I'm just breaking down what my students need to know for one of the projects that we will be doing in the month of January. This is one that every student needs to complete. I'm going to say that again for my students who are hopefully watching this video. Every student needs to complete this. So what this is doing a short report on a genre of music that you like. So I've got a Google sheet there with a whole bunch of them already on it. I'm not going to pull it up now. I mean, you can Google, genres of music and put them in a list yourself, because that's literally what I did. I then added to it because Google wasn't the most expansive list when I did that. But again, it's just a genre of music. Basically, what you need to have in your report is, what genre of music you're doing. That's kind of important. When it started becoming popular, when it started, things like that. Notable artists, performers, bands, things like that. A full-length track. And then, maybe some smaller samples if you don't want to play a full song in the class. And then noticeable characteristics about it. Whether that be, maybe the songs follow this particular structure. They use specific instruments or effects, rhythm, anything that's characteristic to that particular genre, and the songs and music in it, you should bring up and include. You should all put this into a Google slide, and you'll present this in class after all of these projects are done. I'm just going to randomize it unless people just want to go. And that'll be that. The goal for this, I should say, the idea is that following this series where you're basically taking everything we've done in the previous semester and kind of putting that out there, proving, hey, yes, we can do all the bits before we start going into a little bit more free form for the remainder of the spring, is talking about a bunch of different styles of music, and then we'll kind of briefly go into, hey, here's some info, and then students will be using some of that and making stuff. It'll be something, whatever you want to make. Maybe you want to make a rock tune or some EDM or a rap track or whatever you want to make. We're going to have information about that genre available for you right here. And then you'll be making some of that stuff by the end of the school year. The goal is for every student to have then made 3 things. That's my goal, saying this now, before we even start to it, but making 3, things that are completely original for you from the ground up. That's what I would like to have happen. We'll see if it actually works out that way, but this will kind of be the starting measure for that, where we'll discuss, hey, here's, what goes into this kind of music you might be interested in. And that's pretty much it. You're going to, get all the information, make a nice Google slide, and you will be presenting it in front of the class. I'm going to say that again. You will be presenting it in front of the class. So that's why you're putting it in the Google Slides. You'll be turning them into this assignment, and then they'll all be available for everyone to pull up. And then again, because we'll be, the idea is that, you have to be able to, make music to have people listen to it. We're going to be doing a little bit more presenting than we did last year. So that's all of that. This is a really short video. Hopefully, if other teachers see this, want to do it, hopefully, this will be a little bit of a helpful tool for them. That's where I'm going to wrap it up for this one, and I'll see you all the next time that I see you.